ice machine cleaning on a bullet. Let's go take it off here. Go ahead and take this out there. Go ahead and take all these hoses off. Go ahead and take that off. Alright. Get that drain power. Got a water I'm draining. This hose. Pull this one. This comes from the bottom of the unit. It's really aren't that bad. Toss this out there. Then we gotta take this water line off here. And that off. Let all that soak. We got the inside cleaned and sanitized, cleaned up and sanitized. Gotta put that back on, get these back on. See how they call for. Black, orange, red. That's good. Alrighty, time to do the cleaner. Got my cleaner here. Water. And we'll pour it till it says cleaner full. That should be this whole thing. Cleaned and sanitized everything nice, filter back on, good to go.